So there were 12 juice boxes in the fridge. At lunch, 5 juice boxes were taken out to drink. What's our question going to be? What are we trying to figure out in our problem? Yeah. So how many juice boxes were left in the fridge? So what's one way we could solve this problem? What's one way we could solve this problem? Yeah? So we start at 5, and we're going to count forward all the way to 12. So we got 7. Now, that's one way. So what we did, can you explain how we did that then?
We started at 5 because there were 5 taken out to drink.
Okay.
And I counted by 2.
Now, did you count how did you know to stop at 12?
Because that's how much.
Okay, so what's the other way we could do this? So we use that by starting at the part and counting forward to the whole to find out what the other part was missing. What's the other way?
Start at 12.
Okay, so we start at 12.
And count 5 back.
And we count 5 back. So we're going to count back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and where are we going to stop? At 7. So did we get the same answer both ways? Yeah, so we could add or subtract. So now that our brain, so you're asking me, we look at our question. So there were 18 eggs in the fridge. For breakfast, 6 eggs were used. And we want to find out how many eggs were left in the fridge. And what did you ask me?
Did I start at 18 or 6?
Okay, so let's circle both 18. Let's circle 18. And now, what do you think you're gonna do? If you're gonna start at 18, what do you think you need to do?
Go backwards.
And how many are you gonna go backwards?
6.
Okay, so let's try that.
6.
Well, we'll start counting. What number did we count? What did we count at when we did our
1.
when we did our 1? Okay, so let's start at 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so how many eggs are left in the fridge?
12.
Okay, so let's just write a 12 here just for right now. And let's check our answer. Which way does the 2 go?
Oh man.
Okay, now we got 12. Now, what if we started at 6? What would we do? So we count forward. What number would we count forward to?
6.
We start at 6, and where would we stop?
18.
Okay, so let's try that. Let's count forward going to 18. Now, what's our shortcut? If we go down,
10.
okay, and then we're going to go towards 18, so after 10 comes,
11.
okay.
12.
So, did we get the same answer? Did we get 12 both times? So you just used addition and subtraction to check your answer. So now we know we've got 12. Now we're going to put that into a sentence. So what sentence are you going to do to answer the question for me? What are you going to say?
12 eggs are in the fridge.
That's a fantastic sentence, buddy. So can you explain to me how you got your answer and why you use these colors?
I colored the 18 in purple because there were 18 eggs in the fridge.
Okay.
And then Leah ate 6.
Well, that was our other question. That was our warm-up question. So it wasn't Leah eating 6. We just used 6 for breakfast.
People eat 8 6 for breakfast. to make breakfast, and so I figured it out by starting at 7.
Yeah.
And then I went down, by 6. Then I went down, and then I went forward.
So how many eggs are left in the fridge?
12.
Great. So now we're just going to put that into a sentence and explain it. Okay. What if you started at 18 and we did subtraction? What would you do?
Go backwards.
And what number do you think you would stop at? When we try that, start at 18 and let's go backwards.
12.
So we got it. We got the same answer both ways. That's like using our fact triangle to correct it. So great job. Now we'll put it into a sentence. All right. Can you explain to me how you figured out that there's 12 eggs left in the fridge?
I colored it a 6, pink, because I ate 6, and I went down because I knew when you go down it's 10, and I went by 1, 11, and 12 to stop at 18 because that was how much eggs were left.
That's fantastic. All right, now I'd like you to try the green question, okay? So you said there's 12 eggs left in the fridge. Can you explain how you use the blocks? So how many blocks do you have here right now?
18.
Okay. Can you just talk a little bit louder?
I got 18 blocks.
Okay. So you got 18 blocks.
And then I counted to 6.
Okay.
And I split it off.
So you counted to 6 and split up. Can you show me what you did?
I went like this, and then I counted this.
And you counted that. How many? So I think that's a great strategy for you. And I love that you put 12 eggs are left in the fridge. That's a fantastic answer sentence, okay? All right, do you want to try the green question?